Hey, how's it going, guys? Saad here, and you're calling about, you know, um, is integer. So it's returns integer, as you know by now. You need to pass a method, and it determines that is that integer or not. So what we're gonna do is create a function called fits and pass x comma y. After that, what we're gonna do is if number a dot is integer and pass, you may know by now that I'm creating a function. After that, I'm gonna check that. So if this method goes, so we're gonna return, I mean it gonna return when we are not. So fits, and if don't, then return does not fit. So when we do that, it's gonna do that, I mean, what the heck I am saying. So log it on a console, use the function fits and pass the parameter. So if we pass like 5 comma 10, what it is gonna do is, yeah, it's gonna 10 divided 5 by 2, so it's an integer. So when we do that, it's gonna say fits. And if we pass something like 11, it's gonna say does not fit because it's not an integer. So yeah, this is what it does. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.